there, and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel, we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So in today's video, I want to talk about the best starter credit cards for those of you who are interested in getting into the hobby of earning points and rewards. As someone who's been in this hobby for over 5 years now, it has definitely been game-changing for me. From earning cash back to travel points and rewards, having elite status with various hotel chains and airlines, free access to airport lounges, and the list just goes on and on and on. So I'm definitely passionate about it, and I want to help you get started in your journey as well. Now, before I jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. Now, the first credit card on my list is the Discover It Cashback credit card. Now, I chose this card because it is one of my personal favorites, and it's a great way for someone to get into this hobby, but they're not really interested in earning travel points and rewards. Now, that could be because they don't like to travel, or they're not interested in traveling right now because of everything going on with COVID-19. So this credit card does not have an annual fee, which is awesome. And now the earning rate on this credit card is 1.5% cash back. Now what's great is that you can actually earn 5% cash back on different categories throughout the year. So for example, right now in Q3 of 2020, you can earn 5% cash back on purchases made through PayPal or at restaurants. Now, the only catch to this is you can only earn up to $75 each quarter on these bonus categories. And the categories do change every single quarter. Now, the other great part about this credit card is the sign-on bonus. So, Discover will actually match the cash back that you earn in the first 12 months of having this card. So, for example, if you earn $300 in the first 12 months of having this credit card, Discover will give you an additional $300 at your 1-year anniversary mark, which is definitely awesome. Now, if you are interested in applying for this credit card, I will put my referral link down in the comment section below. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Discover It Cashback credit card. So the pros are, this is definitely a great cashback credit card, and right, cash is king. And Discover makes it very easy to redeem the cash back. So you can apply it to your credit card bill, you can transfer it to your checking or savings account, you can use it to purchase e-gift cards on the Discover portal. You can also link your Discover credit card to your Amazon account and use your cashback bonus towards a purchase that you make on Amazon. So definitely they make it easy to redeem it, because sometimes when you're using points and rewards, you have to kind of jump through hoops sometimes, right, to redeem your points. But Discover makes it very, very easy to redeem your cash back. Now let's talk about the cons or downsides. So of course, Discover is not as widely accepted as Visa and MasterCard. So before applying for this credit card, make sure that the stores you use or shop at, either in person or online frequently, do in fact accept Discover. It'd be unfortunate to apply for a credit card that you can't really even use. Now, the other downside is the fact that you have to wait 12 months to get your sign-on bonus. The industry standard is usually 3 months, right? You have to meet a spend requirement, and then you get your sign-on bonus. So the fact that you have to wait 12 months to get your bonus is a bit annoying, is a bit inconvenient, but if you can maximize how much cash back you earn in that 12 months and be patient, it can definitely pay off for you in the end. Now, the next credit card on my list is a travel rewards credit card, and that is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, I chose this credit card because it is a great starter credit card for anyone who wants to start earning travel points and rewards, but they are not loyal to any one particular hotel chain or airline. So with this credit card, you are going to earn a currency called Ultimate Rewards. Now, what's great about these points is that you can use them in one of two ways. You can use these points to book your travel directly in Chase's travel portal, or you can transfer your points to one of Chase's travel partners. So they have a number of hotel chains and airlines that they have partnered with. And what you can do is transfer your points to the travel partner and book your hotel stay or your airline ticket directly with the partner. Now, this credit card does have an annual fee that is $95. Now, I know when I first got into this hobby, I refused to get a credit card that charged me an annual fee. But what I started to realize is that the cards that have the amazing perks, the amazing benefits, all came with an annual fee. Now, the annual fee only makes sense if the benefits and perks that you're getting and using cost more or are worth more than the annual fee itself. So that's why it's really important for you to do your research and due diligence before applying for the credit card. It makes no sense to get a credit card that's charging a fee if you're not maximizing or using any of the benefits. So you definitely want to do your research beforehand. Now, the earning rate on this credit card is 2 ultimate reward points when you use this card on dining and travel. You will earn 1 point on all other purchases. Now, at the time that I am recording this video, the current sign-on bonus is 60,000 ultimate reward points when you spend $4,000 on this card in the first 3 months from when your card is in fact approved. Now, the 60,000 ultimate reward points are worth approximately $750, which can definitely go a long way once you are ready to in fact book your travel. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the 3-month countdown to earn the bonus points does start the day your account is approved, not when you actually get the physical card in the mail. Now, this is important because it can sometimes take up to 7 to 10 business days to get the card in the mail. So once your account is approved, you want to make a mental note, write it down, just so you know when your 3-month cutoff is, so that way you can meet the spend requirements in the time allotted, so that way you can earn the sign-on bonus. You don't want to get the card and miss the cutoff by a few days because you did not understand when your 3-month time period ended. Now, the reason why I also chose this credit card as a great travel credit card for someone who's now getting into this hobby is not only because of the points and the sign-on bonus, but also because of the travel perks and benefits that come with this card as well. So this card gives you certain protections such as trip cancellation and interruption insurance, auto rental insurance, baggage delay reimbursement. Now, if you are someone who travels frequently, you are normally probably paying extra for this kind of insurance when you do book your vacations. So if you actually book your trip on this credit card, you will get these coverages automatically for no additional fee. So this now goes back to the annual fee conversation we had just a little while ago, right? So if you are someone who normally pays extra for these type of coverages, then it would make sense to get this credit card and pay the annual fee, because the benefits that you're getting from this card are worth more than the annual fee that you're going to pay. So if you want to learn more about these benefits and the other benefits that this card comes with, I will put a link here and in the description box below to a video that I did previously about this specific credit card. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So the pros definitely are the travel perks and benefits. Having that insurance and protection with this card definitely comes in handy if you are someone who travels. Also, having ultimate reward points gives you a lot of flexibility. You're not tied down to any one particular hotel chain or airline, which is definitely great. And this card also does not have any foreign transaction fees. So if you are someone who travels internationally, right, this is definitely helpful for you as a consumer. Now let's talk about the cons or downsides. So the biggest downside I would have to say is the spend requirement you have to meet in order to get the sign-on bonus. To spend $4,000 in 3 months is quite hefty, right? So if you are someone who does not normally spend that kind of money in a 3-month time period, I would not recommend signing up for this particular credit card because there's really no point in going into debt just to get a sign-on bonus. That's definitely counterproductive to what this YouTube channel is all about. The other cons or downsides of this credit card is the fact that you do not get any access to airport lounges, and you don't get any sort of elite status with any of the airlines or hotel chains that you would get or could get with some of the other credit cards. So definitely keep this in mind if you do in fact decide to apply for this particular credit card. Now, the third credit card on my credit card starter list is the Discover It Secured credit card. Now, I chose this particular credit card because in this community of earning points and rewards, we don't talk enough about the importance of having good credit, right? You need to have good credit or great credit to get those high-end credit cards where you earn a lot of points and rewards and get elite status. But if you have credit challenges, right, those are really out of your reach. But as I love to say, bad credit is not a life sentence, right? If you can put in the work and start your credit repair journey today, you can in the future have good credit. So that's why I chose the Discover It Secured credit card, because it is really the best of both worlds. It gives you the ability to earn cash back while also building credit if you have no credit, or to reestablish credit if you have had credit challenges in the past. Before I jump into the benefits of the Discover It Secured credit card, if you are someone who is struggling with bad credit, I do have a credit repair toolkit that you can purchase, and this is a step-by-step guide to help you improve your credit. It has also letter templates you can use to dispute a number of things on your credit profile, late payments, collection accounts, inquiries, so on and so forth. So if you do want to purchase a copy today, I will put a link to that in the description box below. Now, the Discover It Secured credit card does not have an annual fee, which is definitely great. And then what's really great about this secured credit card, it is one of the few that I'm aware of where you can actually earn cash back. So at the time that I am recording this video, you can earn 2% cash back when you use this card at gas stations and restaurants. Now, you will only earn this 2% on the first $1,000 that you spend in these two categories each quarter. Anything above that in these two categories, you will only earn 1% cash back. Then for all other categories, you do earn an unlimited 1% cash back. And then to make this card even better is that it also offers a sign-on bonus, which is pretty unique. So the sign-on bonus is basically the same as a Discover It cashback credit card. So Discover will match the cash back that you earn in the first 12 months of having this card. So back to my previous example, if you earn $300 in cash back in the first 12 months of having this secured credit card, Discover will match and give you an additional $300 in cash back on your 1-year anniversary. So this is definitely a win-win if you are someone who has bad credit or no credit. You need to establish credit, and you can do that with this card. If you want to learn more about secured credit cards, I will put a link to a video that I did here and down below. And while you're rebuilding or building your credit, you're also earning cash back. How cool is that? So let's go right into the pros and cons of the Discover It Secured credit card. So the pros are, right, it's a great product for you to start building credit or rebuilding credit if you are dealing with credit challenges. and it is a great way for you to earn cash back, and that 10-on bonus is pretty awesome too. Now the cons or downsides are, well, as I mentioned before, right, Discover is not as widely accepted as Visa and MasterCard, so you want to make sure that the stores you frequently patron do in fact accept Discover. Now the other downside is, right, with the secure credit card, you do have to send in a security deposit before they will issue this credit card to you. So that money is essentially inaccessible to you until they refund it to you. And on top of that, it's not earning any interest once you send it to Discover. But I do think the pros do outweigh the cons, but definitely do your due diligence and research before applying for this product. So those are my 3 favorite starter credit cards for anyone who's trying to get into the hobby of earning points and rewards. So let me know in the comments below, do you agree with the cards I selected, or would you recommend a different set of cards for someone who's now getting into this hobby? I would love to hear your feedback. Now, as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.